Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to bulk delete Facebook posts. We will start by opening the Facebook app. Next, we will click on the top options menu. Then we will click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we move and look for the activity log option. Here we will click on Public Posts to filter. Here you can check the All option to select all the publications or mark only those you want. After that, click on Trash and then on Move to Trash. If at any time you want to restore a deleted post, you can enter the trash from here and restore the posts you want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.